Another one. We the best.
So quickly, let's learn how to power clip. This is supposed to be part 1. Okay, and that's it. You have 2 images here. You have a square and a circle. We're going to power clip this image into the circle and this image into the square by doing just one thing. Right click on the image you want to use, hold down when you right click, do not leave it, drag it all the way onto the circle and release. Now you have 3 options: move here, copy here, power clip inside. You choose power clip inside and it's done. Go to the second image, right click and hold down, drag it all the way to the square, release. Move here, copy here, power clip inside, choose power clip inside, and it's done. That is how to power clip. Power clip can be very useful in designs for many things, but this is as simple as it gets.